Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our free English learning series. First of all, congratulations. If you have completed the 28-day English learning course, you have already taken a big step toward improving your English. During these 4 weeks, you learned important things like basic vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. This foundation is very important for learning English. But remember something very important. Learning English does not end after 28 days. Language learning is a continuous journey. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you become. So today, we will learn easy ways to keep improving your English after the 28-day course. Let's start. First, speak English every day. Speaking regularly is one of the best ways to improve your fluency. You can talk with friends, family members, or language partners. If no one is available, you can even talk to yourself in English. For example, describe what you are doing, explain your plans, or talk about your day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of speaking every day can make a big difference. Second, read simple English content. Reading helps you learn new words and understand sentence structure. You can read short articles, simple stories, blogs, or beginner books. Choose topics that interest you. When reading is enjoyable, learning becomes easier. Third, listen to English every day. Listening improves your understanding and pronunciation. You can listen to podcasts, audiobooks, English news, or educational YouTube videos. Try to listen carefully to how words are pronounced and how sentences are spoken. Over time, your listening skills will improve naturally. Fourth, write something in English every day. Writing helps you remember grammar and vocabulary. You can keep a small journal and write about your day. Write simple sentences like what you did today, what you learned, or what you plan to do tomorrow. Daily writing practice strengthens your language skills. Fifth, learn new words slowly. Do not try to learn too many words at once. Instead, learn 5 or 10 new words each week and use them in sentences. This will help you remember the words for a long time. Sixth, practice real-life conversations. Real conversations help you become more confident. You can join English conversation groups, online language exchange communities, or practice with friends. The more you communicate, the more natural your English will become. Seventh, do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning any language. Every mistake teaches you something new. So do not worry about speaking perfect English. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly. Finally, create your own English learning routine. Here is a simple daily routine you can follow. 15 minutes reading, 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes speaking, 15 minutes writing. That is only 1 hour a day, but it can greatly improve your English over time. Consistency is the key. Small daily practice always leads to big improvements. Before we finish, remember this. Learning English is a journey. Stay patient, stay motivated, and keep practicing every day. Your English will continue to improve step by step. Thank you for completing the 28-day English course and continuing your English learning journey with us. For more free lessons and learning resources, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.